I'm Tim,
I'm Dane.
and this is Against the Grain, a new channel that we're making to basically go on our journey, right? Starting out, we both are very new to this. We're just kind of wanting to learn.
It seems cool. It seems fun.
Yeah. The reason we chose the name Against the Grain is, well, we're new and we usually do things unorthodox. So never go with the flow. So we figured that that would be a good name for the channel, and we hope that it's a fitting name because we're gonna make a lot of mistakes.
Oh yeah, we're messing all up.
Yeah. As far as our experience, we both built a couple tables in the past. What else we got?
Yeah,
Bookshelves.
Bookshelf planters.
Yeah.
We had some plans for
Other
stuff.
things. Yeah. Always plans.
Yeah, we had a downside. There's not space for it anymore.
Right. Yeah, we'll talk about that in a little bit about what happened. But yeah, I built a lot of bookshelves, tables, workbenches, like a bunch of things, but not anything extravagant, I guess you could say.
Oh, you did the board and batten at the old house, right?
Yeah, I did that. Not much experience, but we're trying. So, and you built the bow. You built a bow.
I built a bow that broke, and then I built most of a bow that would probably work had I gotten to finish it.
Right. A lot of the projects that we started, we failed, and a lot of projects that we started, we also finished, and they look good.
Either way, you learn a lot from all of it.
Lots of learning going on. Anyways, we're making this video today it's an introduction to ourselves and what our ideas are and what we plan to do with this channel. It's more like kind of a vlog to ourselves to see our journey through the years and see how much we've progressed and gotten better, and also to share that journey with you guys and who hopefully watch.
Interested.
Right. All right. But yeah, I mean that's what we're gonna do with the channel. That's our plans. We definitely would love feedback. It's always welcome. But yeah, do you want to show what we have as far as tools?
Yeah, we'll go around and we'll look at what we'll be working with.
Yeah, excuse the mess. It's bad.
It's
so bad.
beginning work in progress.
Yeah. I mean, we just moved in, so. Okay. Don't have many tools, but the tools we do have, table saws. It's a bench top table saw, job site table saw as they call it. Lots of wood, which is future projects. We have our shop light hooked to it. Right now. Okay. Yeah. The job site table saw is actually a really good table saw. I haven't had any trouble with it. We got plenty. What is this thing called? Totally forgot. Oh, lathe. There we go. A lathe. Did we say lathe or lathe? Lathe? I don't know. Anyways, haven't used it yet. Got it from a friend.
We can't remember the name of it because it was free.
Right. There's plenty of regular tools like these, vice grips, angle grinder, wood. Built this workbench a couple years ago. It's been in storage for a little while because of living conditions. And then we got on the other side of the garage, this is where we're working.
Storage.
Yeah, lots of storage. That's your big area, right?
Yeah, just got this air compressor.
That's pretty cool.
For air tools. That's exciting.
Denailer, wrench, paint sprayer, sawzall or rotating saw. As you can see, I have an unhealthy obsession with the wall. That's the wall's a good product. You know, these favorite color. We'll see. I got the drill set. The impact driver is somewhere. I don't know. But anyways, like I said,
Where's swing set together yesterday?
it's a mess. Regular orbital sander. As you can see, this wall's got plenty of few tools. Router, nail gun, hammers, saws, hacks. Yeah, I have
More basic hand tools.
and circular saws. So we have a lot of hand tools, a lot of hand powered tools. I think the real like bench top tool we have is the circular saw. I'm not circular saw, table saw, that thing. But yeah, I mean, it's beginner tools, not. I mean, it's about 15, $2 grand worth of tools.
Yeah.
So not completely beginner, but you know, it's definitely not what you see on most YouTube channels with, you know, tens and thousands of dollars of tools in their shop. And yeah, so this is what we're gonna work with or start with, and it'll grow from there, and that's our plan.
It'll be, fun to work around the other things that we can't do
Yeah.
without the power tools for it.
Yeah.
Manual labor.
Okay. Yeah. I mean, as far as things that I want to do, I really love ingrain stuff, like countertops, things like that. My wife had the suggestion for us to make mobile, islands, kitchen
Floating
Yeah.
kitchen islands.
floating kitchen islands.
Yes, it's detachable.
Oh, it's not really. It's more on a movie. Yeah, with wheels and stuff.
Mobile.
Yeah, mobile. Those I really like. We both really like messing with epoxy. We're not very good at it, but we're learning. Like I said, this is the learning channel. We're beginners, so we're trying to, learn as we go. You had some ideas for some cat things, right?
Oh yeah, the cats, they are always at those zoomies or whatever.
Yeah.
So I was thinking of like mounting some wall stuff, little cat tunnels.
Oh, that'd be cool. Yeah. Yeah. Like some tunnels and
Yeah, like a cat wall.
make like an escape room for a cat.
Cat escape.
Yeah.
That'd be cool. Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, not only our suggestions, but your suggestions in the comments would definitely help. If you find or figure out something that would be really cool for us to make, and we're on board with it, we'll make it. Like I said, this is gonna be a learning channel. We're gonna learn as we go. And
Suggestions are welcome.
yeah, suggestions, love suggestions, because my ideas kind of suck sometimes. But
Other people's bad ideas are a good idea too.
yeah, something like that.
One man's trash, another man's trash.
But I mean, just subscribe, put the notification bell on, right? Is that what they say?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Turn
something like that. Yeah,
Subscribe, press the button.
Yeah.
Smash the like. Thumbs
all
up.
that good stuff. Because there's gonna be future stuff that comes out, and you don't want to miss it.